Hello guys, unboxing Yeti time. Got my Batman mask on. I'm going to dress up like this for Halloween, so got a mask on for you guys tonight. I traded in a bunch of stuff for a bunch of packs, but I also got an Enlightened Tutor, Aeroflowing Chalice promo, and Sigarda foil. Pretty cool stuff. So, it's going to be two parts. We're going to do 5 Avacyn, 2 Dark Ascension and Innistrad, and then we're going to do the other 8 as well. So, let's begin Avacyn. Alright. Nothing pretty good so far. Bunch of crap. Got a mass of components. Not too bad. Alright, we have a Favorable Winds, Human Frailty, Falcon Wrath Exterminator, and the rare is Wild Defiance. First time pulling that. It's pretty cool. So, it's a pretty decent pull. Let's continue Avacyn. It's like $1.50. Not bad. Okay. Crap. Got a Thatcher Revolt, pretty cool. We got a Borderland Ranger. Our uncommons are U-Spirit, Rain of Thorns, Haunted Guardian, and the rare is Killing Wave. Not too bad. It's pretty bad right now, but I think I'd rather run Mutilate, because Mutilate is sick. So, continue. We got 2 decent pulls, not the shittiest, but they're decent. Bar the Door, nice. This is Dark Ascension. We got a Faith Shield, uncommon. Chill of Foreboding. A Blood Feud, and the rare is Marka Blade Master. And we have a Hinterland Hermit and a foil Niblis of the Urn. So, decent rare and a pretty decent foil. So, not too bad. Let's try the Innistrad pack out. Nice, that's a pretty good rare flip. Okay, Doom Traveler, nice. We got a Mulch, it's pretty good. First uncommon is Hamlet Captain, Invisible Stalker, Scourge of Gear Reach, and the rare is Undead Alchemist, which is okay. But the flip is Mayor of Avabruck, which is Hell Pack Alpha. That's awesome. That's a good pull. But it wasn't actually our rare of the pack, so it was kind of weak. So, whatever. Let's go back to Avacyn. Got a Natural End. Got a Mist Raven. Got a Thunderbolt. Got an Amass of Components. Got a Near Heath Pilgrim. Rush of Blood. Commander's Authority. And a Riders of Gavany. I think I have a playset of that now. Pretty bad, but it's playable. These are being playable wares. Got Dark Ascension next. Okay, decent flip. Faithless Looting. Clinging Mists. Got a Markov Warlord, Mystic Retrieval, Stromkirk Captain, and an Increasing Devotion. Pretty cool rare. It gives you a lot of creatures, but it's not the best. It's okay. So far the rares are pretty stinky. No mythics or anything, but it's pretty good. If I get a Bonfire, I'll just be happy. Okay, Cloud Shift, pretty cool. got a Rush of Blood, Gloom Widow, Heaven Go Vampire, and the rare is Temporal Mastery. Very nice. That's a cool card. First time pulling that. Spirit Token and a Plains. I was going to use that in one of my decks, so that's pretty cool. Take an extra turn after this one, exile it. Nice. That's cool. Alright, maybe I finish off this video with the bonfire. Let's try it out. Just got a foil cigar, that's awesome. Got Natural End. Ghostly Flicker, pretty cool. Bunch of crap. We got it Into the Void. Lightning Prowse. Have a Go Vampire, and the rare is Angel of Glory's Rise. Not bad. So those are the packs, the first 8. We didn't really make our money back, but I basically traded in a bunch of uncommons and commons and a couple of mythics for these, so not too bad. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Enjoy part 2.